The Most Cited Paragraphs pod appears on the right-hand side of Unreported Judgments and features the top 10 most cited paragraphs within the primary decision. This feature is available to those who subscribe to both Unreported Judgments and K-Space. The visualization shows the most cited paragraphs along with the number of cases citing those paragraphs. Click on one of the paragraph bars to jump straight to that point in the judgment and review the cited paragraph. You can also click See More Details to open the K-Space document for a deeper analysis. The left-hand side of the unreported judgment also features tabbed indicators, and each indicator corresponds to each paragraph of the case and shows how many subsequent cases have cited that paragraph. Number of cases citing is available for all paragraphs using the indicators on the left-hand side. As you read through the case, you can see the relative importance of each paragraph to later decisions. If you are interested in a particular paragraph, click the indicator to analyze the text of the cited paragraph from our primary case, alongside the text of subsequent citing paragraphs. Here you can see the name and citation information of the cases citing our selected paragraph, date and court information, as well as the citation of our selected paragraph in context. You can click the citing case name or the citing paragraph number to link out to the full text of a decision that continues the discussion on a relevant issue or point of law.